New at 6, scalp cooling has been used in one form or another for the past few years to help some cancer patients preserve their hair. But those devices were limited to certain patients with breast cancer only. But as Ursula Perry shows us, doctors now say cooling is effective for people battling a wider variety of the cancers.
Inside this small suitcase,
this is the silicone cap that goes on first.
Are all the tools Terry Buckler needed to save her hair while she was undergoing the treatments designed to save her life.
A regular 3D mammogram caught this cancer. I could not feel anything. The doctors could not feel anything.
Terry needed chemo, followed by radiation with a drug that would cause hair loss. It's one side effect her doctor had a solution for, though.
And they're dealing with so many different things. If you can take that off their plate, that's a good thing.
A silicone cooling cap with gel covered Terry's scalp. Another cover kept it snug.
There we go.
Nurses connected the cap to the Paxman cooling system. It lowers the temperature of the scalp, causing blood vessels to constrict.
That prevents the chemotherapy from getting to the hair follicles and can reduce the amount of hair loss.
This procedure was approved for just breast cancer patients until earlier this year. In addition to breast cancer, the FDA has now expanded its use for patients with ovarian, colorectal, and prostate cancers. From Terry's first to her last chemo treatment, most people couldn't see a difference.
I never used a scarf. I never covered my head. I was always able to style my hair to where if there was a small bald spot, I could hide it.
Preserving peace of mind during a tough treatment to restore a patient's health.
Even though the FDA has cleared a wider use of these cooling caps, there are some cases where it is not approved, and that includes pediatric patients, those with leukemia and blood cancers, some head and neck cancers, as well as some skin cancers. And keep in mind, it's not covered by insurance in most situations, and it will cost you about $500 per session, and you may need as many as 4 sessions. Ursula Perry, KSAT 12 News.